left hand side is equal to root over 1 minus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Actually, what should we know? We must know the formula. What is the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta? Can you tell me please? 2 sin square theta, right? Is it? Talk to me please.
Yes, sir.
1 plus cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta, right? What is happening here? 2 will be omitted. 2 will be omitted.
Yes, sir.
So we are getting root over tan square theta. So 2 and root again also will be omitted, equals to tan theta, and it is our right hand side. What comes to conclude is that if we know the formula, it is then possible to do all the maths. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it is my earnest request to all of my students to memorize the formulas. Okay? So from now onwards, you always get the formula. After trigonometry, when you will do calculus, okay, in every page, there are about 90% is trigonometry, where the formula are to be applied. Number 2, left hand side. One plus cos 2a plus sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a plus sin 2a. This is the left hand side. Actually, what comes here? It is the formula. What is the formula?
So 2 cos square a.
2 cos square a. And here it is formula 2 sin square a. Okay? But this plus sin 2a will be kept as it is. This plus sin 2a will be kept as it is. 2 cos square a. This is sin 2a. What can be written?
2 cos
sin a.
sin a.
2 sin a cos a. Now here it is 2 sin square a. Sin 2a can be written 2 sin a cos a. Now you see here we can take common. 2 cos a can be taken common. 2 cos a. Then we are left with, what is left? Cos a plus sin a, right? Cos a plus sin a. In the denominator, 2 sin a, that is sin a plus cos a. Now what we are getting actually? This omitted?
Sir,
right?
cot A.
Yes, you're right, equals to cot a. There is a confusion of plus and minus. Anyway, the math is done. Copy it. Now the next question. 2 cos 2a plus 1. Question number 3. 2 cos 2a plus 1. This is the left hand side. Is equal to, can you let me know what is the formula of cos 2a? Cos 2a equals to what?
So 1 minus sin square a.
Sir, Nujhat ke admit then.
Okay, देखो 1 plus cos 2 equals to 2 cos square a. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then from here you find cos 2a. So cos 2 equals to what? From here we can write cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Can you write?
Yes,
So
sir.
write down 2 cos square a minus 1. Now you multiply it. 4 cos square a. Please sound karo na. From here what should be written? 2 cos a plus 1, 2 cos a minus 1. Math is done. Equals to right hand side. Very easy and simple math. Okay. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Go to next math. Question number 4. Sec 2 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to important math is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus theta cos of pi by 4 plus theta by cos of pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. Now we just start with left hand side. Prove that it is to prove
Sir,
that.
Ataharke admit then.
You see left hand side. Sec 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. What should we do? We must convert it into sine and cosine, right? Now, is it okay? This is cos 2 theta. And this is what? 1 minus sine 2 theta. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From now onward, if you get any format like this, remember me. Just remember me. Just this format. 1 minus sine 2 theta. You see, we know this formula. And we know this formula. But there is no formula of 1 minus sine 2 theta. Or there is no formula of 1 plus sine 2 theta. Please try to understand. Its value is 2 sine square theta. It is 2 cos square theta. But we don't have any formula, right? So from now onward, if you get this type of expression, trigonometric expression, then please remember me. That is, where there is 1, you put the trigonometric identity. 1 means what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is minus. What is the formula of sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay? And it is in the denominator cos square theta minus sin square theta. You are required to talk to me. You please talk to me.
বুঝছি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Shapayat Ansari. From next day, After scheduled time, no one will be allowed. Please don't mind, huh? Okay. So we have got this right. Now
Yes.
you see in the numerator what comes. Can you please tell me?
Cos 2a.
Numerator cos theta plus sin theta whole square.
So minus হবে cos theta minus sin theta
I'm
whole
sorry.
square.
I'm sorry, minus cos theta minus sin. Please শব্দটা করো না কেউ। প্লিজ রিকোয়েস্ট করি। শব্দতে আমি কিছু বোঝাতে পারছি না।
আমি ওর কাজই করতেছি এখন।
হ্যাঁ?
সাফায়েত আনসারি এটা।
Okay, you see the numerator cos theta minus sin theta whole square. If any of you write down sin theta minus cos theta whole square, that is also right. Because a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. That means 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square. Okay, so you know, right? So there is no confusion. But why I have written cos theta at first? Because in the denominator we get cos theta at first. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Have you seen?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now you see from the numerator and denominator cos theta minus sin theta will be omitted. So what will we get? We will get in the numerator cos theta minus sin theta, and in the denominator cos theta plus sin theta, right? So we have got this one. Is it?
Yes sir.
We are left with this part. Very good. So here, what will you do? Write down proved. That is, one of the proofs is done. Is equal to, what is here given? Pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 equals to what? 1 by root 2. So what will we do? You know, I will take 1 by root 2 here. That is cos theta minus sin theta. Here again in the denominator, I will take 1 by root 2. Cos theta plus sin theta. And you see 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 may be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now we'll just multiply it. Then if we multiply, we will get 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Again, in the denominator, 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Have you got me what I have done?
Yes sir.
As per the requirement of the proof, we are going to do the maths. Now, what is 1 by root 2? Can you tell me please? What is 1 by root 2? There is cosine, right? So 1 by root 2 can be written as by cosine pi by 4. That is 45 degree. Cos pi by 4 cos theta minus sin pi by 4 sin pi by 4 sin theta. Okay, cos pi by 4 cos theta, sin pi by 4 sin theta. Similarly, we can write also in the denominator cos pi by 4 cos theta and sin pi by 4 sin theta. Now, what comes in the numerator? You see the formula of cos of a plus b, right? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b equals to what? Third number formula, cos of a plus b. And in the denominator, cos of a minus b. Now, have we got the proof? All are done. Can you see the math that I wrote? This math is important. Okay. Now going to question number 5. Question number 5. Sin theta plus cos theta, you see, sin theta plus cos theta by root over 1 plus sin 2 theta. I think you can do it. I think you can do it. Write down sin theta plus cos theta by what I told you. If you get this format, you have to write, can you remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, as I told you earlier. If you get this type of format, then you have to write this always. Then in the numerator, we are getting same sin theta plus cos theta. And in the denominator, we have the formula of a plus b whole square. That is sin theta plus cos theta by a square root, and a square root will be omitted. Sin theta plus cos theta and equals to 1. The math is done. Okay. It was really very, very easy math for you. Now the next question. Question number 272. If there is anyone here who can do this math, will be awarded cos x minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 cos x plus 1. Who can do it? I will award him. Are you getting me? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone here to do this math? Or I will do?
Try Kuri.
You cannot. Else? Anybody else? What is the formula? Cos 2x. Here all are cos x, cos, right? So what is the formula? Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x.
Square x minus
That
1.
means 1 minus 2 cos square x equals to, or we can write here in this way, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Can we write? We have to put that formula, nothing else. Then our math is done. What I have told you, cos x minus, you write down the formula, 2 cos square x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Now it is your turn. Now do it, complete it. Now can you do? This is what? Cos x minus 2 cos square x plus 1, 1 minus cos x. Now can you do? Or I will do? Now you see what I am going to do. 1 plus cos x minus 2 cos square x by 1 minus cos x. Numerator, just you factorize the numerator. You have to factorize the numerator. That is 1 plus 2 cos x minus 2 cos square x by 1 minus cos x. Okay. Then what comes next? We can take 1 common. 1 plus 2 cos x minus cos x can be taken common. 1 plus 2 cos x 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now the math is done. That is 1 minus cos x into 1 plus 2 cos x by 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x will be omitted, and we will be left with 2 cos x plus 1. Can you see the? Hello everybody. Sec x is equal to 2 by root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 4x, 2 cos 4x. Please write down the math. Right hand side. Have you copied the math?
Yes, sir.
স্যার এখন পুরা ঝাপসা।
কেন আমার এখান থেকে কোনো সমস্যা নেই বাবা?
স্যার আমার এখানেও নাই।
Sir, clear.
Okay. You see right hand side 2 by okay 2 plus 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 4x, 2 plus 2 cos 4x. Okay, don't be afraid. The math is very easy. Just to maintain the formula, it is nothing else. This is 2. We have written that 2. This is a square root. Okay, this 2 has been written as usual. This. Now you see, during doing this math, you have to just give emphasis on a square root. Here 2 can be taken common, right? Okay, 2 can be taken common. Then we are left with 1 plus cos 4x. Am I right? Pay attention.
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Now, what is the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? We know the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, right? Is it? Now, if it is written for 2, if I write here 1 plus cos 4 theta, then what should be written? 2 cos square 2 theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If it is twice, then it will also be twice. Is it? For 2 theta, it is theta. So for 4 theta, it is 2 theta. It is always half of this. Okay. So what can be written here? You see, that means 2 by root over 2 plus here 2 into 2 cos square 2x. Have you seen? Just pay attention. This formula has been put here. After that, we are going to write down 2 by root over 2 plus, it is what? 2 to the 4 cos square 2x, that is 2 cos 2x. Am I right? It is 4 root over 4 cos square 2x. That means what? 2 cos 2x. Okay. Again, we can write 2 first bracket 1 plus cos 2x. Now, what is its formula? What is its formula?
2 cos square x.
2 into again 2 cos square x. That means 2 by, it is root over 4 cos square x. That means 2 cos x. 2 will be omitted and we'll be left with sec x equals to right hand side. Okay. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, question number 9. You see, sin square pi by 8 plus theta, left hand side, of
Sir.
course, left side. Yes.
স্যার এখানে তো আমার স্ক্রিন পুরো ফ্রিজ হয়ে গেছে, আমি লিভ নেই, আপনি আমাকে আবার একটু অ্যাডমিট দিয়ে দেন প্লিজ।
Okay. Minus sin square pi by 8 minus theta. Pi by 8 minus theta by 2. This is the math. Okay. Koi shito ashe na. Okay. You see, this is the math. What is to do now? Can you tell me
স্যার
please?
ম্যাথ নাম্বার 8 কি করানো হয়েছে?
বুঝি নাই।
স্যার ম্যাথ নাম্বার 8 কি করানো হয়েছে?
এর আগের অঙ্কটা তো 8 নাম্বার ছিল বাবা।
স্যার 7 এর 2 ছিল না?
7 এর 2 করানো শেষ, 7 এর 2 তো করানো শেষ, তারপর 8, now it is 9, হ্যাঁ? Okay, you see, okay, you see please this math. If I take half common from all, then we'll get 2 sin square pi by 8 plus theta by 2, okay, minus 2 sin square pi by 8 minus theta by 2. What I have taken? I have just taken half into 2. Half into 2 equals to what? Pratyasha Sarkar admit. Have got? Is it? Now in the proof we have sin theta. What is 2 sin square theta? Can you please tell me what is 2 sin square theta? What is the formula?
So cos 2a minus 1. Sorry, cos 1
minus cos 2a.
Okay, you see, I proved it. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta, right? Now we have to put that formula. You see, half 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos, okay, 2 theta pi by 8 plus theta by 2. Is there anyone who has failed to understand? Huh?
স্যার
Or I will show it again.
স্যার বুঝছি।
জি স্যার।
Okay. Now you just let me know what will be here. Minus 1 minus cos 2 theta, but minus minus plus. Cos 2 theta. Actually, 1 minus cos 2 theta. Here it is also 1 minus cos 2 theta, but there is minus. For this, it has been plus. Right? So we are left with 1 will be omitted. Now you see, it is half. Okay. Then we can get minus cosine 2, that is pi by 4. This is 2 to multiply, it will be only theta. Plus cosine multiply pi by 4, it is only theta. Can you remember the formula number 8?
Cos D minus cos C.
Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Can you remember, please? Cos of
Yes.
A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, I'm going to rearrange half cos of, you see, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, I have rearranged it. Now, what is the formula, please? Let me know. Question formula number, I
2
told
sin
you
A sin
8.
B.
2
Eight
sin A
number.
sin B.
8 number formula. That is, we can write here half into 2 sin A sin B, right? Now, 2 will be omitted. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Important math. It is right hand side. So our math is done. It is nothing but formula, and formula. Now the math I am going to do will be given in the exam. If it is not given in the exam, you please get back your money. Zumaina, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Now I am going to do question number 10. That's really very important for you, for your time. Okay, question number 10. Very, very, very important math. Question number 10. You see, left hand side. You write down left hand side is equal to cos square A minus, very, very important, I told you, cos square A minus 120 degree, then plus cos square, then again plus cos square A plus 120 degree. You see, we can't put it into any formula unless we are taking a half common. So we are going to take half common. Then what is 2 cos square A minus 120 degree plus 2 cos square A plus 2 cos square A plus 120 degree, right? Then we see half. What is the formula of 2 cos square theta? 2 cos square theta equals to what?
1 plus 2
1 plus cos 2a.
2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos. Is it? So can you write 1 plus cos 2a? So it will be multiplied by what? Just let me know. It is 2a minus 240 degree. Is it 12? Plus,
sir.
Yes.
it is 1 plus cos 2a, this line. Then it is again 1 plus cos 2a. 2a means what? This is a. Then 2a means what? 2a plus 240 degree. Please talk to me. What I have done actually? 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So this is 1. This is 1 plus cos 2a. Cos, it is a. It is a. Then 2a is equal to 2a minus 240 degree, right? Now you see, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. How many ones are there?
3.
There are So I can write down half, is it 3? I can write 3, right? Plus cos 2a. I can write this cos 2a has been written. Now you see one thing, plus cosine 2a plus 240 degree plus cosine 2a minus 240 degree. I have just rearranged. This positive has been taken at first, then this part has been taken here. Okay. Now we don't have anything to do here. Just let me know one thing. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b equals to what?
2 sin A sin B.
You're wrong.
2 cos A cos B, sir.
2 cos a cos b. Sondit perhaps thought there is minus, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it can be given first bracket here. Now you use the calculator to find the value of cos 240 degree. Cos 240 degree. What is the value of cos 240 degree?
So minus half.
3 plus cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a into minus half. Okay? Is it or not? So what is left? 2 will be omitted. Minus cos 2a plus cos 2a. So we are left with 3 by 2. Have you got it? 2 will be omitted, right? And this is minus cos 2a. You think it is like multiplication. It is like multiplication. Okay, it is not the angle. Okay. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this math will be given in the exam. Okay, so please pay attention to do this math. Now I am going to do another math. Now I think all of you will just leave me for doing this math, but don't leave. Something is being outed for you. Very good. Another most important math. Okay. Question number 11.1. 11.1. I am going to write down the left hand side is equal to cos cube x plus cos cube 60 degree minus x. Cos cube
স্যার এটা কত নম্বর ম্যাথস?
11.1. Cos cube 60 degree minus x plus cos cube 60 degree plus x. Cos cube 60 degree plus x. Oh my god. Up to this we had cos square. Now it is cos cube. Okay, that's good. Dear students, write down. We know cos 3x is equal to what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Can you remember? I proved this.
Yes, sir.
From here, we can write 4 cos cube x. It is the part of math. 4 cos cube x is equal to what? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x, right? Can you write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, from it is all our cos cube x. So I can find here cos cube x is equal
স্যার
to.
এটা কি ফর্মুলা?
হ্যাঁ, this is the formula. তোমরা আমার ভিডিওটা দেখো না, বুঝছো? আমি ভিডিওতে ফর্মুলাগুলো প্রুভ করে দিয়েছি, আমি ফর্মুলাগুলো লিখে দিয়েছি। তো এনিওয়ে 1/4 cos 3x 3/4 cos x. I am not getting you. Your sound was. Oh, sorry, Azan Hossein. Okay. I think you have got it. Please get it at first. If you get this one, then your math is done. And if you cannot find this one, you never can do this math. None can do this math. There is nobody. Without knowing this, no one can do this math. Okay. Now the left hand side becomes, therefore, the left hand side becomes. Can you please let me know what is cos cube x? Please talk to me. You put this value. What is the value of cos cube x? All of you are told by me. Wait. All of you are told by me. Just pay attention. This math will be given in the exam. Upon swear. Will say given in the exam. Okay. So please pay attention. Left hand side, cos cube x. You see, cos cube x is value is found already. Has been found already. That is 1/4 cos 3x plus 3/4 cos x. Up to this, okay? I have put this value, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I am going to put this plus. Who can tell me? Now I am going to operate this part. Who can tell me? Please pay attention. Is there anyone?
So 1/4 cos of 180 degree
Wait.
minus 3x.
Wait, all of you are just requested to wait. Very good. 1/4. This is the formula. 1/4. I have written 1/4 cos 3x. Cos 3x. It is x. Just remember, it is x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Cos cube x. This is x. So what is 3x? What is 3x? 180
minus 3x.
minus. Is it?
Yes, sir.
It is what? 3/4. You write down 3/4 cosine x. Cosine x. What is x here? Here x is 60 degree minus x. 60 degree minus x. Okay? But we are not done yet. This is plus. You write down plus. What is the difference? Just plus and minus difference. So everything here, just plus and minus, right? So we can write here 1/4 cos 180 degree minus 3x plus 3/4.
Class of it. Second line.
Oh yes, plus 3/4 cosine 60 degree plus x. You are given time to understand. If you understand this line, your math is done within 1 minute.
স্যার কিসে প্রুফ করতে হবে?
ওটার এখনো বাকি আছে 50 লাইন। Just try to understand this line, then I'll just make you understand what is to do. You just try to do.
স্যার আরেকবার বুঝাবেন স্যার লাইনটা?
হ্যাঁ
স্যার আরেকবার লাইনটা বুঝাবেন?
Okay, you see. Okay. ভালো করে দেখো। It is cos cube x.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of cos cube x? At a biscuit. What is the value of cos cube x?
1 by 4 cos
So 1 by 4.
3 by 4 cos x.
जी sir.
রাইট? এখানে কি লেখা বলো? cos cube 60 degree minus x.
जी sir.
এখানে x এর জায়গায় 60 degree minus x বসবে।
ও আচ্ছা জি স্যার বুঝছি।
তা বুঝতে পারছো?
জি স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ওয়েলকাম। ওয়েট করো। sorry, excuse me, sorry. Okay, now start. You see, is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 by 4 cos x. Okay. Now, can you tell me in which quadrant this angle lies? 180 minus 3x. This is 180 minus 3x. In which quadrant? Second. Cos theta is negative. Minus 1 by 4 cos 3x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We don't have any functioning on this. 3 by 4 cosine 60 degree minus x. This lies in the third quadrant. This part, where it lies, 180 plus, the one in third quadrant.
Yes, sir.
In the third quadrant, cosine is negative. So we can write here minus 1 by 4 cos 3x. And the last part, we don't have any functioning. 3 by 4 cos 60 degree plus x. If this math is given in the exam, of course it will be given. You think that you all will get 0 here. Anyway, is there anything to get cancelled?
So 1 by 4 cos 3x.
1 by 4 cos 3x, right?
Yes, sir.
1 by 4 cos 3x. Okay. Then what can we do? This and this will be omitted, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we are left with 3 by 4 cos x. And it is what? Minus 1 by 4 cos 3x, right? And here we can do one thing. 3 by 4 cos of a plus b cos of sorry, a minus b. This has been written here. And this has been written here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 by 4 cos x minus 1 by 4 cos 3x. Can you please tell me the formula? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b.
2 cos a cos b.
2 cos a cos b.
2 cos a. আচ্ছা, বাই দ্য ওয়ে, আমাদের মনে আর বেশি সময় নাই, আমরা কিন্তু আবার জয়েন করব, ঠিক আছে? তোমাদের আপত্তি আছে?
না,
কারোর
sir.
কোনো আপত্তি? এখানে এমন কেউ আছো যে কারোর আপত্তি আছে? ইফ উই জয়েন এগেন, আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ এনি প্রবলেম। 3/4 cos x minus 1/4, আমি চ্যাপ্টার কি শেষ করে দিব, হ্যাঁ? 3x, তাহলে এখানে আমরা কি পাই বলতো? এখানে কি পাচ্ছি আমরা? 3/2 cos 60 ভ্যালু কত? হাফ, তাই না? হাফ cos x, that is we are getting 3/4 cos x minus 1/4 cos 3x, here 3/4 cos x, right? 3/4 plus 3/4 equals to what? Let me know. 3/4 plus 3/4 equals to what? 6/4, right? 6/4 cos x minus 1/4 cos 3x. Perhaps you are being astonished that why I have not written 3/2. ঠিক কিনা?
জি স্যার।
Yes, because in the proof we have 1/4 6 cos x minus cos 3x. In the proof we have 6. Have you seen it? Our math is done. Very very important math. মনে করে রাখবে, এই ম্যাথ পরীক্ষা দিলে তোমরা কেউ নাম্বার পাবে না। যদি কারোর সাহস থাকে আজকে ম্যাথটা না দেখে একবার করে আমাকে বলো যে স্যার করছি না দেখে। যদি কেউ না দেখে পারো অঙ্কটা একবার করতে, তাহলে ভাববা সে পৃথিবীর সেরা। হ্যাঁ, যদি 10 বার ট্রাই করো তারপর হয়তো একবার না দেখে পারবে। আমি 10 টাইমস বলেছি, একবার না। I am going to do another, the most important math of this book again. আমি যখন এরকম কিছু বলবো অবশ্যই মার্ক করে রাখবে। আমাদের টাইম চলে গেলে আমরা আবার জয়েন দিব, ওকে? আমি এই চ্যাপ্টারটা শেষ করে তারপর যাব।
স্যার আপনি আজকের ক্লাসের ফুল রেকর্ডিং দিতে পারবেন?
আমি প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাসেরই রেকর্ডিং তোমাদেরকে দিই। দেখো, আগেরটা দিয়েছি একটা তোমাদের গ্রুপে, তোমরা তো দেখো না। তারপরে আজকে আরেকটা দিয়েছি, এখন আরেকটা রেকর্ডিংটা আপলোড হচ্ছে জুমে ক্লাস নেওয়ার জন্য, নইলে তখন হয়ে যেত। এবং এখন যে ক্লাসগুলো হচ্ছে আমি প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাসই আপলোড দিব, ওকে? আমি ইউটিউবে প্রতিদিন লিংক পাঠিয়ে দিব, তোমরা জাস্ট পে অ্যাটেনশন। আমার একটু এটাকে আপলোড করতে একটু সময় নাই তো, ওকে? আমি প্রত্যেকটা জিনিসই তোমাদেরকে দিয়ে দেবো, চিন্তা করো না। Okay, the most important math, question number 11-2. 11-2, সবাই লিখে রাখো, the most important math লিখে রাখো। Write down, left hand side is equal to sin cube x, sin cube x plus sin cube 120, sin cube 120 degree plus x plus sin cube, দেখো আগের ম্যাথ আর এই ম্যাথ সেম, 240 degree plus x.
স্যার বোর্ডের উপরের পার্ট
দেখা যায় না
স্যার? আমার ডিভাইসে ঢাকা পড়ে যায়।
এটা কি সবার জন্য?
না
ইজ
স্যার,
ইট ফর অল?
নো স্যার।
দেখো তো যায়,
উপরে টিল্ট করলে দেখা যেত আর কি।
এখন ক্যামেরা সরালেই সমস্যা হবে। আচ্ছা, এখন ক্যামেরায় হাত দিলে তোমরা সবাই এখন কি হবে?
দিয়েন না স্যার, হাত দিয়েন না।
আচ্ছা ওকে, আমি তো এই লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড তো আবার লিখবই, সমস্যা নেই। ওকে, ইউ সি প্লিজ, অল অফ ইউ রাইট ডাউন, রাইট ডাউন। উই নো, বলো কে বলতে পারবে দেখি। উই নো
so sin 3x equals to sin 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
সাবাস। 4 কি বললো তুমি? 4 sin cube x, right? You are from here you find sin cube x, কি হবে বলো তো? Implies that 4 sin cube x is equal to what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x Am I right or am I right? Is it 4 sine cube x equals to
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So from here we can write sine cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sine x minus 1 by 4 sine 3x, right? এখন দেখো left hand side. Now see, the left hand side becomes, okay? Sine cube x, you put the value. যে বোঝো নাই যারটা ঢাকা পড়ে গেছে সে দেখো প্রথমে লেখা ছিল কি sin cube x, right? তো what is sin cube x? You put the value 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. Is it what I have done actually? I have just put the value of sin cube x. এরপরে কি লেখা আছে বলো তো? sin cube 120 plus x. Write down plus 3 by 4 x এর জায়গায় কি হবে 120 plus x sin 120 plus x. For x I have written, আমি have got it. For x, here x equals to what? This is x,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. You multiply it by 3, then what will be?
360.
360 degree plus 3x. Is it? Then this part plus 3 by 4 240 degree plus x. You write down sin x. তার মানে কি হয় বলো? sin 240 degree plus x. আমি জাস্ট এই পার্টটা করলাম, এই পার্টটা sin 240 plus x minus 1 by 4 sin 3 times. তাহলে 3 times 320.
720.
Yes, you're right. 720 degree plus 3x. Okay. Now we can get time কিন্তু এখনই শেষ হয়ে যাবে 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. বলতো এটার উপরে আমাদের কোনো ফাংশনিং নাই, বুঝছো? যা আছে তাই। এবং লাস্ট টাইমও তাই করেছিলাম, 60 ডিগ্রি ছিল, sin 120 degree plus x. Can you tell me please which quadrant? First quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
In the now we can keep it as it is, plus 3 by 4 sin 240 degree plus x. As it is we have kept. Now you see it is also in the first quadrant. Okay, 2 revolutions, 360 into 360. Okay, in the first quadrant all are positive, so it is as it is, minus 1 by 4
Sin 3x.
sin 3x. You do up to this, you try to understand. কি এটা? আরে আমি গান শুনতে পাই তো। Okay, now you see this is 3 by 4 sin x. Okay, and there is no other sin x. Write down 3 by 4 sin x. Okay, now you see this is minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. You see minus 1 by 4 sin 3x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. Okay, we are getting, that is, can we write down? Yes, it is minus 3 by 4 sin 3x. How many 1 by 4? There are 3 1 by 4. That means 3 into 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, right? Is it? Now you see, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Now 3 by 4 can be taken common from the rest 2 terms. That is, from here you see this part and this part. What we can do, we can take 3 by 4 as common, right? So if we take 3 by 4 as common, then we are left with, you see, 3 by 4, second bracket, sine 240 degree plus x, okay? And here it is sine 120 degree plus x. Dear students, there are two ways to do the math after this. Number one, very easy and simple to put it into formula. Sine of a plus b. Number two, you can convert it, okay? You can convert it 30 degree plus x or 30 degree minus x. Here it will be also 30 degree plus x. Then you will get sine c plus sine d formula. So you have another two steps. No need, you just do only one step by putting it into formula of sine of a plus b. Have you got me or not?
Yes,
The
sir.
easiest way. Okay, I am going to show you the easiest way. But there are two steps I have mentioned to you. 3 by 4 sine x minus 3 by 4 sine 3x. This is sine 3x plus. Now just let me know what is the formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, right? Then this part plus sine a cos b cos a sine b. Now, one thing can be done here. 3 by 4 sine x minus 3 by 4 sine 3x plus 3 by 4. What is the value here? Cos sine 240. Let me know. Use the calculator to get the value of sine 240. Everybody.
So minus
Minus
root 3 by
root
2.
3 by 2.
Minus root 3 by 2 cos x, then cos 240,
Minus half.
then we can write minus half, then sine 120, sine 120,
Root 3 by 2.
then cos 120,
Minus half.
have you seen one thing? That is, this and this are going to be cancelled. Then we are left with 3 by 4 sine x minus 3 by 4 sine 3x plus 3 by 4. It is what? Minus half equals to minus 1. That is minus sine x. That means 3 by 4 sine x minus 3 by 4 sine 3x minus 3 by 4 sine x. Actually, we are getting here this and this cancel, right? And we are done. Minus 3 by 4 sine 3x. I am talking to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there is another math. 11 and 3. Oh my God. একটু লাইন থাকো তুমি। Okay, I'm sorry. So we are done, right? Now, question number 11 and 3. You see question number 11.3. Here the math is cos cube x, write down left hand side, cos cube x plus cos cube 120 degree plus x plus cos cube 240 degree plus x. Your right hand side is 3/4 cos 3x. Your right hand side is 3/4 cos 3x. Now you just let me know the same math. Will I do or you will practice at home? If you practice at home, that is your benefit. If you fail to do, I can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow means next class. I want answer from you.
আমরাই করি।
Okay, তাহলে যে করবে সাকসেসফুলি অ্যানসারটা আসবে সে গ্রুপে লিখে দিবে, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা
All of you please pay attention. কি ঠিক আছে?
জি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
Okay, তাহলে it is homework. It is your homework. I am going to do a math which is related to all those maths I have done. Please pay attention. Okay, you start. এই চ্যাপ্টারটা হলো সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট চ্যাপ্টার, হ্যাঁ মাথায় রাখবা। যতগুলো চ্যাপ্টার আছে, write down a math. Example 4. Example 4, related math. For this, I am going to do it. Sin cube 60 degree plus a. Sin cube 60 degree plus a. Then plus sin cube a. Then plus sin cube 60 degree minus a. And your right hand side is 3/2. Your right hand side is 3/2. Let me know. Will I do or you will do?
Sir, we will do.
Can you remember that I did both types of math? Okay, cube দিয়ে math কিন্তু আমি দুটো করিয়েছি, right? তাই না? কিউব দিয়ে ম্যাথ আমি দুটো করেছি না, আমি তোমাদেরকে আরো দুটো ম্যাথ দিলাম। মনে করে রাখবে, না পারো তো ধরা খেয়ে যাবে। বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করবে আজকেই, এখনই বসে। আমার ক্লাস শেষ হওয়ার পরে ইউ অল উইল জাস্ট সিট টু রিড, ওকে? তো বেটার আই এম নট গোয়িং টু ডু দিস ম্যাথ অর আই উইল ডু দিস ম্যাথ। কথা বলো।
আমরা করি।
দ্যাটস গুড। আমি এখন তোমাদের সর্বকালের সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ ম্যাথটা দিচ্ছি, যে ম্যাথটা সবচেয়ে বেশিবার পরীক্ষায় আসছে। It is given in the example 3. Write down example 3. Okay, the math is 1/sin 10. Very easy math. 1/sin 10 degree minus √3/cos 10 degree. Your right hand side is equal to 4. Who can do this math? This is our left hand side. Hello everybody.
Yes sir.
Will I do?
2 মিনিট দেন।
পারবে না। দেখো, sin 10 degree cosine 10 degree. Is it? So we can write here cosine 10 degree minus √3 sin 10 degree. Am I right or am I right? What I have done actually, I have just got the LCM. তাই তো নাকি বলো?
Yes sir.
Okay, that's good. Now if I go for, please, you write down half cosine 10 degree. I am going to multiply all the terms in this way. You see, root 3 by 2 sine 10 degree. Here half sine 10 degree cosine 10 degree. Just let me know where you have not got me. I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by half.
স্যার হাফ দিয়েই কেন?
Very good question. You are really very what can I say? Very good in maths. Why it is half? Because it is a formula, sine 30 or cos 60. It is also another formula, sine 60 or cos 30. I have done it so that I can put it into formula. Have you got me?
জি স্যার।
Okay, that's good. Now, just let me know what is half. Can you please tell me what is half? Sine koto degree half? 30 degree?
Sine 30.
Sine 30. Okay, that's good. So we can write here sine 30 degree. Here, can you tell me please? Cos 10 degree minus. It is what? Cos 30?
Yes, sir.
Cos 30 degree. But none of you demanded, sir, আমি তো এখানে লিখতে পারতাম সাইন্স cos 60 লিখতে পারতাম,
Yes,
রাইট? সেটাও কিন্তু
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি জিজ্ঞেস করতেই যাচ্ছিলাম।
আমি সেটা করি নাই কেন জানো? নিচেরটা দেখো একটা ফর্মুলা পড়বে 2 sin a cos a, দ্যাট ইজ sin 2a। তাহলে উপরে sin এর ফর্মুলা, নিচে sin এর ফর্মুলা কেটে যাবে। হ্যাভ গট মি?
জি
Yes,
স্যার।
sir.
For this. Okay, anyway, now it is half. Okay, another half, another 2. Can we do?
Yes, sir.
So that the denominator now can be put into formula. This half is this half, and these two have been multiplied. Okay, as a result, we can put it into formula of 2 sin a cos a equals to what? 2 sin a cos a equals to what? Let me know.
So sine of 2a.
Very
Sine
good.
20 degree.
উপরেরটা কি ফর্মুলা পড়ে?
Sine of
Sine
a
of
minus
সাইন অফ এ মাইনাস বি।
sin of a minus b, right? Is it?
yes, sir.
And this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. We can write here sin 2a, that is sin 20 degree. 2 sin a cos a equals to what? Sin 2a. A is 10 degree, so it will be 10 2s are 20 degree. Now this 4 can be taken to the numerator, where it is 4 sin 20 degree, and it is also sin 20 degree, right? So
Yes, sir.
we are getting 4. So we have got our answer, right? Acha, number of pistons is very less. Who is not here or who are not here? মাত্র 6 জন আছে, বাকিরা কোথায়? এরা কি সবাই চলে গেছে নাকি I should
আরেকজন আছে, ওর কারেন্ট চলে গেছে, তারপর আর জয়েন দেয় না। আর সেজুতি চলে গেছে, মেবি সবাই পেশেন্ট।
স্যার তামিদ চলে গেছে স্যার, ওর নামাজ ছিল মনে হয় এই কারণে।
তো আমরা কি মনে হয় যেহেতু বেশি বাচ্চা নাই, উই শুড ডিসকন্টিনিউ, রাইট?
জি স্যার।
আমার আজকে কোনো কাজ ছিল না, আমার আর কিছুক্ষণ হলে শেষ হয়ে যেত। এনিওয়ে, সো থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
স্যার টাইম নিয়ে একটু বলবেন?
টাইম কবে? নেক্সট কবে?
Sir,
স্যার আপনি কবে ফ্রি?
আমি তোমরা আমাকে বলো কবে।
স্যার মঙ্গলবার আপনি ফ্রি?
মঙ্গলবারে
3টা।
আচ্ছা, ওকে, আমি তোমাদেরকে আমার টাইমিংটা একটু গ্রুপে লিখে দিচ্ছি। আমি কোন কোন সময় ফ্রি না, আমি এখনই গ্রুপে লিখে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, ঠিক আছে,
জি স্যার।
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আমি গ্রুপে একটু